All right, let me share this with you. There is a saying that if you have a restless feet, one day it might walk you into a snake pit. What does that literally means? It necessarily means that if you don't learn how to live a clandestine life, and you'll be seen everywhere at people's engagements, parties, birthday celebrations, any place where there is an ongoing occasion, you'll be seen over there. Bear it in mind that you lose your self-esteem, your respect, and the sort of dignity that you have. Why? Because you are always everywhere and people will take you for granted. People will begin to spill out all sort of things against you and about you because you are everywhere. You become common in the eyes of people. So there is a saying that if you have a restless feet, it will definitely walk you into a snake pit one day. It means if you don't learn how to live in secrecy, always you'll find yourself in problems. So henceforth, learn how to live a clandestine life. Learn how to live a secret life. Isolate yourself from people. Don't be going out too much, and see from there on that life will change. The first step that each and everyone must initiate if you want to become successful is by learning how to live a secret life and learning how to live alone. This is the only means to which will warrant you the keys to success. God bless you and bless you so much. I'm in trouble. I'm in cancer in trouble. And paying me say, so when I will ain't to me for one to not happen. Nessa baby, when I we at the Bacodia. Can who say, Debbie, when I we a double cock to a walk upon to us. And I said, Waka could peer and what fee. Maybe I make us say no one to me and Pino or one account. I see any say, would you put beer? Well, who said, and your baby and was so walk. And you'll be our party and also walk. And you'll be a year and also walk. And you'll be engagement and also walk. That's how the baby I do. I saw if you be able to a dime be able to can who say, I'm a near and pout to the if we say, Miko hobby, and so. Nyamina me yet, yen can report to fee. A son so go hobby kwa dear. I'm Amrano and Ubidi. The free na quay. So I say, ye dear niche, that's no wabraboa. Sia, so do who be see. You'll be upon to us now the cop. And you be piana, mini about any of them over cop. And so who san your way via? We shilla, because why I can see. If any more guasi, when you guasi, your baby or call your name cancer say walk. Baby and quite bomb, ya poison be. If you won't put to war, and now can't when she has to be a poison. The son say, or go be upon to us, and your poison. Then can you cross or conquer, then can you cross or cook and so or call so could you be, or coy, a brand for so be any so. And no, and a man could share when she can woo ye. And different uncle. See us and a bayard who be see the Banasa, who be not soon be at the Amalcra. Let me shroud, we shall be brave.